Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to practice Unit 6. In this unit, we will focus on vocabulary, linking expressions about time, numbers, and participle adjectives. Let's start with vocabulary. Sail. Sail means to travel by driving a boat. Voyage. Voyage means a journey by sea. Discover. Discover means to find something for the first time. Let's see the example. Christopher Columbus discovered America. Route. It is the way to travel somewhere. Mission means an expedition with a very important purpose. Let's see the example. Her mission was to break the world record. Continent. A continent is a group of countries. We will see the example. There are 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Valuable means worth a lot of money. Example: the explorers discovered gold and other valuable things. Era. Era means a period of time. Let's see the example. It was an era of exploration that lasted 4 centuries. Increase. Increase means get bigger. Let's see the example. Reading a book increases people's knowledge. Destroy. To end something. Example: the army destroyed their enemy's country. Empire. Empire means a large group of countries or people. Example: the Ottoman Empire was one of the most powerful states in the world. Okay, now we can continue with the next subject, linking expressions about time. While, until, as soon as are subordinating conjunctions which can be used to connect an action or an event to a point in time. They give information about the time something happens. As soon as tells us that 2 actions are happening together over a length of time. It means that the second event happened or will happen immediately after the first. Let's see the example. As soon as I finished lunch, I went out for a walk. The next one, I will go out for a walk as soon as I finish lunch. While. While can be used to show 2 events happening at the same time. Let's see the example. While you are getting lunch ready, I will wash the car. The events getting lunch and wash the car happen at the same time. The next, I studied judo while I was in China. Here again, the two events was in China and studied judo happened at the same time. Until continues up to that point and then stops. We use either a sentence or a noun phrase after until. Example, I studied until midnight last night. Sam will be away until Tuesday. Now it's time to practice. Let's see the activity. In this activity, we will fill in the blanks with the words while, as soon as, and until. Let's see the first one. Joe listened to music. He was doing his homework. Is it while, as soon as, or until? Let's look at the other sentences. Wait here. I came back. Number 3. I will give you a call. I have finished. Number 4. Sam saw an accident. He was walking home. Number 5. Don't leave. You have finished your work. Number 6. They go out. Let's eat lunch. Number 7. He found somebody's wallet on the ground. He was walking to the bus stop. And number 8. I am older. I want to start my own business. I will give you time to do it. Okay, let's see the answers. Let's look at number 1. Joe listened to music while he was doing his homework. As you remember, with the conjunction while, two events happen at the same time. Here, listen to music and doing homework happen at the same time. Let's look at number 2. Wait here until I came back. As you can see here, the correct answer is until. I will give you a call as soon as I have finished. Look, here we use the conjunction as soon as. Here, when one action finished, we will start with another action. Number 4. Sam saw an accident while he was walking home. Here again, two actions happen at the same time. Saw an accident and was walking home. Number 5. Don't leave until you have finished your work. Okay, let's look at number 6. As soon as they go out, let's eat lunch. Here the answer is as soon as. Number 7. He found somebody's wallet on the ground while he was walking to the bus stop. Here again, two events happen at the same time. That's why we use while. Number 8. As soon as I get older, I want to start my own business. Here, the right answer is as soon as. Okay. Now it's time for numbers. We will talk about two types of numbers. The first one is the cardinal number. Cardinal numbers tell us the amount of something. Example Example, I saw 5 elephants in the zoo. Number 2, my dog is 10 months old. This crocodile laid about 100 eggs. As we know, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the cardinal numbers. The second one, ordinary numbers. Ordinary numbers tell us the order. As you can see in this picture, there is a race. They are running. Let's see the order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Let's see the example. Monday is the first day of the week. It is the 5th time we have been to the wildlife park. My birthday is on the 2nd of April. Let's see in general the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers. You can look at them. Okay, now it's time to practice. We will fill in the blanks, the cardinal or the ordinal numbers. I have breakfast at o'clock. My brother is in the class. Number 6. We have to use number 6 in the cardinal and in the ordinal numbers. It costs only £1. I am so happy that he won the prize. Here our number is 1. Number 3. It's the day of our holiday in London. It takes hours to get from London to Paris by air. Here the number is 5. Number 4. He scored goals in the game. We will use number 2 in this exercise. Number 5. He came in the race out of 10 runners. There were other runners who didn't race. Here we will use number 3. I will give you time to do it. Okay, let's see the answers. Yes. Number 1. I have breakfast at 6 o'clock. This is a cardinal number. My brother is in the 6th class, and this is an ordinary number. It costs only £1. 1 is a cardinal number. I am so happy that he won the first prize. And first is the ordinary number. Number 3. It's the 5th day of our holiday in London. 5th is an ordinary number. It takes 5 hours to get from London to Paris by air. Number 4. He scored 2 goals in the second game. 2 is a cardinal number. Second is an ordinal number. Number 5. He came third in the race out of 10 runners. There were 3 other runners who didn't race. Third is an ordinal number and 3 is a cardinal number. And the last subject, it is the participle adjectives. Let's start. How to use participle adjectives. Participles can often be used as adjectives before nouns or after be. Participle adjectives end in ing or ed, according to the meaning in the sentence. A participle is a word formed from a verb which can be used as an adjective. Ed participles often describe people's feelings. Now, let's look at the difference between participle ed and participle ing. Participle ed. How someone feels from an action or activity. The person is feeling the emotion. Let's look at participle ing. How someone, something, or situation causes us to feel. The thing or person is causing the emotion. In participle ed, the person is feeling the emotion, but in participle ing, the thing or person is causing the emotion. This is the difference. Let's see the examples. Terry is interested in science. Here, Terry experiences this feeling for science. Science is interesting to Terry. Here, science causes this feeling for Terry. Another example. I feel so relaxed from my vacation. I experienced this feeling from my holiday. My holiday was so relaxing. The holiday caused the feeling for me. This is the difference between participle ed and participle ing. Now it's time to practice. Choose the correct answer. Is it ed or ing? Let's look at number 1. I don't understand chess. The rules are very confused or confusing. Number 2. My little brother makes too much noise. He's annoyed or annoying. Number 3. The sad news made me depressed. Or is it depressing? Number 4. Moving to a new house is hard work. It's tired or tiring. Number 5. I think that insects are fascinated or fascinating. I love to study them. Number 6. Lucy got a B+ in the test. She was satisfied or satisfying with her test results. Number 7. The man is amused or amusing by the film. You have time to do it. Be careful, please. Don't forget the difference between the participle ed and ing. Okay, now we can see the answers. Let's look together, please. Number 1. I don't understand chess. The rules are very confused or confusing? Here, the correct answer is confusing. The participle ing. Because here, the rules are causing the emotion. That's why we use confusing. Number 2. My little brother makes too much noise. He is annoyed or he is annoying. Here we use annoying because here the person, the little brother, isn't feeling the emotion. Let's look at number 3. The sad news made me depressed or depressing. The correct answer is depressed. Here, the person is feeling the emotion. That's why we use participle ed. Moving to a new house is hard work. It is tired or tiring. Here, we use the participle ing. The answer is tiring. Here, there is no person who is feeling the emotion. That's why we use tiring ing. Number 5. I think that insects are fascinated or fascinating. Of course, here the answer is fascinating because the insects are fascinating. Because there are no emotions felt from a person. Number 6. Lucy got a B+. She was satisfied or satisfying with her test results. Here we can see that the person Lucy is feeling the emotion. She feels satisfied. That's why the answer here is satisfied. Let's look at number 7, the last one. The man is amused or amusing by the film. Of course, here the correct answer is amused because here the person, the man, is feeling the emotion and here he feels amused by the film. That's why we use here the participle ed. This is the end of the unit. Thanks for watching.